Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the best Discord server for cryptocurrencies. Now, here are some of the top cryptocurrency Discord server you can join in. So first of all, you could go with the Jacob Cryptoberry. Now, it's known for its active community and educational resources. This serves offers market update tutorials and trading setup, making it deal for both beginner and experienced trader. Crypto news. Apart from it, there is this large community, over 40,000 members, focuses on everything. So you could also visit their website. Now it focuses on everything from trading tip to a technical analysis. It is a great free resources for those wanting to dive deeper into crypto discussions. Likewise, there is another platform that is Lite crypto signals. Now this server is popular for providing paid crypto signals based on the detailed technical analysis, making it ideal for senior traders. Premium members got exclusive signals, entry exit points, and marketing trade as well. Likewise, if you're looking for another one, then it is a NFT World. Now it is ideal for NFT enthusiasts. These server provides the latest update on NFT collections and whitelist opportunities for maintaining new projects. Now these community provides a mix of educations, real-time trading signals, and general crypto discussion, catering to everyone from beginning to advanced trader. Now many of them offer both free and a premium tier depending on your level of involvement. So these were some of the best Discord server for cryptocurrency. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.